Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Sorry for the late. I just woke up and I just saw कि मेरे लैपटॉप में बैटरी ही नहीं है. Even I charged it completely 100%. Hello everyone. Before sleeping. Hello everyone. Sorry for the late. So let's get started. Hmm. Let's see if we are able to do a single question or not. Concatenate non-zero digits and multiply by some 1. We are given an integer n. Form a new number x by concatenating all the non-zero digits of n if their original order in their original order. Okay, if there are no non-zero digits, x is equals to 0. Okay, let sum be the sum of digits in x. Okay, return an integer representing the value. Okay, so if we get, this is a number. Okay, if we get any 0, we need to remove it and concatenate all the non-zero parts, and later okay, non-zero digits are 1 2 3 4, and thus x is equals to 1 2 3 1 3 2 3 4. That's it. The sum of digits is x is equals to sum equals to 1 2 3. Okay, फिर हमें इन digits का sum निकालना है, and then we need to multiply this and the sum non-zero digits and the sum of the digits. Therefore, the answer is x into sum. Okay, got it. But how can I get this from a number? Hmm, that's a tricky part. How can I do that? That's kind of tricky part, guys. I can do modulus, and the modulus will give me the remainder by dividing it 10. So we'll get this. If the modulus is not remainder is not equals to 0, then we'll concatenate it, and if the remainder is equals to 0, we can't concatenate it. We will ignore and continue. That's my key idea right now. Just tell me what can I do? So everyone, those are watching, kindly like the stream, guys. That's my key idea here. What should I do according to you here? I don't know what's happening, guys. Like, uh, no zero digits. For that, what can I do? Like, if I take the number and divide it with 10 and take the modulus will give us 4. Okay, 4. I'm getting something. Let me show you guys. Where is the reset canvas? I'm getting something. Like I have 102405. Like if I have this, then what can I do? I can do like dividing it by 10, taking modulus by 10. If not equals to 0, then we are taking sum is equals to, sorry, non-zero part equals to this one zero. So let's take it in answer, this answer. And if this answer is greater than one digit, or like two digit, three digit, then we will multiply this non-zero part, non-zero, into, not this one, uh plus answer into 10 or 100, like this. Like if we are getting 5 from here, then we just need to add the answer, because we don't have anything in non-zero. Non-zero is our 0. And if we are getting 4 from here, now we already have 5 in our non-zero part, then we need to multiply this 4 into 10, and we need to add that in non-zero part, so that will be 45. That's my key idea here. So what, guys, you think? Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong here? That's my kind of thinking here as a beginner to lead code. And now I don't know how to write this code, but I'll try. I'll try. Can I use while loop on it? On this number? Yes, I can. I can. Let's take non-zero, which is equals to right now 0, right? And while n not equals to 0, well, this number is not equals to 0, so we are looping it and taking the answer of it. Answer equals to n modulus n. Okay, if answer not equals, or what kind of syntax I'm writing? After writing JavaScript, I'm not able to do that. If answer not equals to 0, non-zero equals to non-zero plus answer into. Now how I calculate? Mhm. The 0 multiplied here. Okay, how got, I got it, I guess. Mm. How can I do this? Like how can I multiply? नो जीरो की लेंथ निकाल सकते हैं क्या हम? How can I do this? Not able to write a good code here. Sorry, everyone. hmm Like, write it, write it down here initially, and then we need to change our n, which will be n modulus 10. So this kind of syntax I'm using right now. So what we are doing, we are taking a non-zero number which is equals to 0, which is equals to 0, and while n not equals to 0, answer is equals to n modulus 10. If answer not equals to 0, if this answer is not equals to 0, I mean that remainder not equals to 0, that means we are adding it to the non-zero part. I don't know how to take here the zeros, how to take the length of the here zeros. How can I get the number of zeros here? If anybody of you know, please comment it out. And now we need to calculate the sum. So sum will be like this: sum is equals to 0, while n, oh, I need to take it, I can calculate sum here. Sum equals to 0. I also can calculate the sum here, guys, right? So sum will be sum plus equals to sum of what I am writing here. Answer. Answer. So that's it. And now we need to return what sum into non-zero. This we need to return, guys. Let me figure out how can I detect the zeros, number of zeros here. Oh, that is kind of tricky one. How to how to get the length of number. Let me think. How to get the length of a number in Python. Convert to a string and then use length. Okay, that gives me, okay, okay. Okay. Mm, that gives me the length of this number, like this: 1 2 3 4 5. The length of this number will be 5. But but if I multiply it with like 10, that gives me 20, not that gives me 50, not 5 zeros. Hmm. How can I do this? How can I do this, guys? If anybody of you know this, tell me in the comment section, guys. hmm that's a tricky part, guys. Or I can, no, even I can get the length here, but how can I get the number of zeros? How can I get the number of zeros? Initially I get 4, and then I get 3, so I need to multiply it by 10 to make it 34, right? And then I will get 2, and I need to multiply it by 100 to get to 34. So that's the idea. But how can I go? How can I do that? Uh, kindly help, guys. Mhm. Do I need to take some help? I mean, I'm able to do the question right now, but I'm not able to recognize the syntax or what can I perform here to do this. Multiply by the correct power of 10. Oh, oh, that will be the case, guys. Oh, I don't think of this. I don't think of this. Yeah, I can do this. Reverse number. Okay, this is giving the reverse number. It's an into multiplier, right? Yes, I can do this. Multiplier, which is equals to multiplier into 10, right? Multiplier into 10. And here, multiplier. And initially, the multiplier is 1. Multiplier equals to 1. That's the case, guys, if I'm not wrong, right? And I guess that will solve the problem. Let's take an example on 1020303004. So non-zero is 0 in it, and sum is equals to 0 also. Multiply is equals to 1 while n not equals to 0. So over n not equals to 0 right now. Okay, while n not equals to 0, that will part, so that while loop part will run and answer will be equals to n modulus 10. That gives us 4. And if the answer not equals to 0, we are performing this part. So non-zero, we are adding non-zero, which is equals to 0, plus answer is equals to 4 right now, and the multiplier is 1. So 4, we are getting 4, and that equals to non-zero. Okay, and the multiplier will become 10, and the sum will become 4. So both non-zero is 4 right now, multiplier is 1, sorry, 10, and the sum is 4. And we are changing n, which uh I think I'm wrong here. I need to take this part. I mean, the single slash will give us the quotient, the complete quotient, and the double slash will give us the quotient without the floating value. That's my guess. Okay, now n will become 10203030. Okay, so again the loop will occur, and here we'll get the answer which is equals to 0. So this if part will not run and the n will become to this. Let's submit this. Oh, we are able to solve this, right? We are good to go, guys. Let's go. 945 test cases passed. That's that was a little challenging to us. Let's do the another question here. Find maximum balanced exhaust a barrel length. Oh, let me check the stream, guys. Let me check the stream. Okay, the stream is fine. stream is going good. Find maximum balance XOR sublength array. Let me check the another one question. Concatenate non-zero digit and multiply by sum 2. Oh, this is the tricky one of the first one question. Let's see if we will able to do this. You're given a string s of length m consisting of digits. Okay. We have a string s which is consisting of digits. You are also given a 2D array, integer array, queries, two dimension. Okay. Queries I, li, ri. For each query, exactly the substring li, ri. Then perform the following. Form a new integer, non-zero. Okay. The original order. If there are non-zero digits, x is equals to 0. Okay. The same. Return an array of integer. Answer. We have answer I. Where answer I is the answer of the ith query. Return an array of integer. What do you mean by this? Okay. So if we are taking 0 to 7, which is in this, if we are slicing the string, we are slicing the string, guys, that will give us from 0 to 7 from this string, and we need to convert that in integer value. After converting that integer value, we need to perform the same actions which we have performed earlier on the first question, and that will give us the exact answer for this substring. Okay, that's the logic or key idea from my side here. And according to you, what will be the right answer here? Like if I'm thinking according to, I'm telling also, okay, 0 to 7 is the complete string, and for this complete string we got this non-zero, and the sum is this. So therefore our answer is like this, right? For this, that's correct, guys. Okay, let's copy a first question key idea. Okay, you're getting the first question key idea. Let's apply it in the third question. Hi everyone, hi. For those who are watching, kindly like the stream, guys. I really appreciate. Kindly like the stream. Everyone, those are watching, kindly like the stream. I'm totally new here. I don't know how to solve the questions. I'm showing you how I performing, how I'm doing, and what mistakes and I'm making here. So everything I'm showing to you. So this is the part which we are performing, right, guys? And this part we need to perform for all the queries, so let's loop on the queries for mm, I'm writing kind of JavaScript syntax, sorry for that. Like I'm habitual right now doing JavaScript a lot of, so writing JavaScript syntax for I in range length of queries, right? That's okay. And now we need to get the number which will be equals to n, which equals to int of s at this query. Okay, so that gives us this part, and I can use this part like this, s and I hope this will form like something, this s of 0 comma 7. I hope this will make like this. I hope this is doing like this. Okay, so what we are going to return the output. Okay, the output, so let's make the output which is equals to empty array, and here what we are going to do, output at I will be here what non, oh sorry, sum into non zero part, and from here we are returning output. So yes, that's this is not the comment. How can I write? Okay, I'm writing pretty JavaScript. So that's the point according to me. Let me test it, guys. Let me test. Let me test little. Give me 1 minute, guys. Okay, can I do this? Uh, Let me make the I equals to 0 comma 7. We have the string is equals to 1024305. This is something we have, and we need to return the number from here, which may be si. So need to print the number, print num. I guess si is not defined, but I'm okay, but I'm defining the s and I here. How can I separate out it? Mm, not able to see your comment. I'm not able to see any comment here. there's no comment, guys. Let me refresh the stream. फिर देख लियो. Okay, I'll see you later. Right now I need to. And what if I do like this s 0 comma 7? If I do like this, that will string indices must be integer, not tuple. How can I convert a string into integer? String to integer in Python, right? That's how to convert a substring. Let's see this. First, we need to extract the substring, then we'll convert it into value, right? Okay, so here substring will be equals to si, right? Okay, and the num will be equals to int of sub. I think that will be the solution, but si is not defined. How can I use this array? Okay, got it. S will be I of 0 and I of 1, guys, right? That will be the solution. No, why this is not giving me the number while they are saying that gives us the number, guys. Hmm. So they are saying that will give us the number, but here I'm not getting the number and getting the error. uh Let me do this, then I'll not be able to like extracting. Let's try it on the here. So from here, substring equals to s at I at 0 comma I at 1, and here I need to pass the sub. I think this will work out. Can I check it in or Python? Maybe. I think I should check. Let me guys first check this in Python. That will give us the idea we are getting the output or not. I'm checking it. You might not be able to see what I'm doing. Guys, keep support. This is my second time I'm doing. int object is not subscriptable. Int object is not subscriptable. They're saying here int object is not subscriptable. What the? Array! Oh, I got it, yeah, I got it. I got the answer. What I'm doing wrong here is this part, guys. I'm taking the integer, but I don't need to take the integer. I need to take the queries. Queries. Okay. This might be the solution here. Let me check once. And I can't use the comma here, which is not the syntax, guys. This is the syntax, I guess. This might work. This this should work, guys. I guess int object is not subscriptable. What does that mean? What are you saying right now? I mean, I'm able to solve this, but there's some issues. Let me fix it. Let me think. How can I extract? Hmm. Oh shit, man. I'm doing a literally wrong. Writing so wrong syntax, yeah. Hmm. So I'm doing the wrong slicing. What can I do? Left or right? I can use instead of this. Uh-huh. That should work. Let's try out. Hmm. That might work. Okay, okay. And here I need to append this part, right? Sorry, I need to append this part dot append as a list of this. Now this will not come here. I guess this should work. What's the issue is okay, this doesn't come here. Okay, still getting an error. Let's try to fix this. Where is 0 to 9? Expected 4 4 1 3. There is a little trick, guys, here. I guess I'm doing it wrong. I'm doing it so wrong. Let me fix this. I don't need to convert the number right here. Instead of I just perform this as a string here. Right. Let me change this. Let me change this. For left comma right in queries, this I can do, right? And I can get the substring which is equals to s l comma r plus 1, right? This will give the substring. Now the digit number, now the digit, now the sum will be equals to 0, right? And the non-zero string, let's check the non-zero string here. Non-zero, which equals to empty right now, but for taking num in substring, we are taking the number from the substring and looping it, and if num not equals to this 0, then we are adding it to the non-zero string plus equals to num, and the sum will be equals to int num, right? That's that's the case, guys, here. And for here, I guess we right have sum, we don't have non-zero. So non-zero will be equals to int hmm, int non-zero string if non-zero, इसके अंदर वैल्यू है तो ये हो जाए, else 0, right? I guess that will be the right idea. Mm, but what this is doing, right? What the fuck is this doing, guys? We are taking the left and right in queries. What the fuck, guys? This is literally doing. This is wasting our time. Um, why do I always use comma here? I'm not using JavaScript. Need to understand this. Okay, so I'm getting a wrong test case here. Hmm, right. Hmm. Okay, we are not adding the sum. Okay, now we are able to pass 46 text cases. And right here, I'm also getting 4445. I don't know why I'm getting this again and again. I think I need to check this in VS Code. And let's analyze here. Taking, it's good. That's also good. Everything looks fine according to me, but not getting the output. What is happening? What is happening here? Oh, my VS Code is lagging. Literally, everything happened only today. Is this everything happens with me? So there is something, I guess, in here. Something I'm missing here. Okay, okay, we need to take the modulo. Oh, that I was doing literally. let's do this, guys. Like, I'm very, I'm very bad. Here should be like this. This should be the case, I guess, that gives the right. No, this is not. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Actually, I'm doing a little wrong hit here. This, right, guys, this is. Mm, okay. What was the modulo here? 10 raised to power 9 plus 7, right? Oh, this is not acceptable from my side. 10 raised to power 9 plus 7. Exactly, that's I am doing the modulus here. Well, we are not performing the modulus here. Okay, and what we am getting? Value error exceeded the limit. 430 digits for integer. String conversation has 5311 digits. Increase the limit. This I was not expecting, guys. This I was not expecting. What to do here? What to do, guys? Here, if you anybody have idea, Any idea, please let me know in the comment section. I'm doing pretty well according to the question, but still I'm not able to fix it. And just 21 minutes are left. Also, we will get a lots of penalty time because we have submitted a lot of wrong answers. Can I convert here the mode and where it is converting the mode? Like getting the result later is converting the mode. Okay. No, guys, this is not working. At least we are able to pass 500 test cases. Let me try it on VS Code, guys. Let me try it on VS Code. There is no discussion around here. We are not using here non-zero string, so we are using here non-zero, which will be equals to the non-zero into 10 into digit and taking the mode of that. I guess that will fix. Inch. And we can do this like into, sorry, some modulus mod inch of this. What's happening, guys? Why it is taking so long? Zero. I guess fix this should fix. I need to change this. I hope this fix. I hope this fix. No, yaar. What the fuck? Oh, I don't need this line right now. Please solve this. I'm getting frustrated right now. Okay. Oh, wow. So I'm not able to solve the two questions also today. I'm doing pretty wrong here. Um, this is what I'm doing. Still getting the same issue. I don't know what this mod is doing right here. So that's all for today, guys. Let's end the stream. Bye bye. Bye bye, guys.